The Acumatica Construction Edition for general contractors is designed to be simple, yet powerful, easy to use. When you log into Acumatica, it shows you your workspaces and dashboards. Each workspace can be defined by an individual or a group in the company, and will take you into areas that are specific to the title. In my construction workspace, I can see subcontracts, change orders. If I were to move down into inventory, compliance, time and expense, we'll see the same idea. Trying to make this simple, easy to navigate, easy to use. If I move away from the workspace into my dashboards, these are multiple dashboards delivered with the software. This is a project manager's dashboard. Each of the dashboards has widgets. These are user-defined. You can modify these. They also drill down to transactions. If I grab a project, it will take me to the project, and from within the project screen, I can see everything I need to on one screen. So I don't have to leave the software. So I don't have to go to different modules. I'll just move right into the project as we go. I can easily see on the project that I have a schedule of values on my revenue budget tab. I can look at a detail schedule with both my line items for schedules as well as my cost codes, or I can group those line items to see a summarized look at how my project is running. We can see budgets, changes, revised, invoice, pending invoices there. We have an ability to export to Excel or move it directly from Excel inside. While I'm on the revenue, if I want to, I can go ahead and run a project billing to generate a pro forma invoice. If I move to the cost budget, the same idea. These are my sub-jobs, cost codes, the types of costs that I have out here. I can bring my budget in from Excel. We can use our API to bring it in from outside estimating systems. If I want to see detail in any of the line items, I can click. This will open up the commitment details window. It will show me all the subcontracts or POs that are associated with this line item. If I were to go in now and jump, I can go from the line item on my budget to all the subcontracts and POs. In this case, I'm now jumped out to a subcontract where I can see the vendor, the project. I can see any compliance issues that are out here. I can look at generating change orders from here as well. So I'll go back now to the project. If I want to reduce this, I want to move any of these columns around, you can change the order of the columns, you can hide columns, can modify the screen so that it makes sense for the end users. I go to change orders. From the change order screen, I can actually drill down and take me to a change order. I can determine the status of the change order. This one's on hold. I can determine what my next actions are. Is it going through an approval system? Do I need to email it? Do I need to print it? If we do want to take this email and this change order and email it, I can attach a file, take the change order document, generate it right out to DocuSign to move the document through the approval process. As we're sitting here on the change orders, I can also move down to see any activity history that's coming from the CRM system. I can look at balances on my project to see exactly where we stand on this project. I can drill down into any of the subcontracts, any of the POs. And as I move further through this, I can look at any of the invoices. If we have invoices outstanding, I can drill down and see the pro forma invoice. As I set the project up, I can determine, does this project build on a progress basis? Does it build on a T&M basis? Same ability here. I can take this email, the pro forma invoice, and email it. I can print it. I can attach it. I can send it through DocuSign if we want. I can also come out and look at compliance. Compliance works throughout the system. There's warnings on all the screens, helps me manage my exposure on the project. So the Acumatica Construction Edition for general contractors is a full-featured, simple, easy-to-use solution. Gives you the ability to add features and functionality, but still find something that's simple and easy to use for your staff.
I'd like to thank you for joining me today. If you care for a deeper dive demonstration based on your own organization's functionality and requirements, please reach out to your local Acumatica reseller or contact the number you're seeing up on your screen or via info@acumatica.com.